Okay guys, so Too Faced is finally here in India. They are available finally, and I decided to do a video on the things that you must try from the brand now that it's here. I actually received a PR package from them. Let me quickly turn around and show you. So here is everything that I received from them. I have the pretty rich eyeshadow palette, their highlighter. This is really nice. I think it's called the Diamond Light, or it's called the Canary Diamond, and the mascara, lip injection, and the blush. But I am also excited to try some more stuff from them, like their Born This Way foundation. I've heard really good things about their concealers and everything, so I wanted to go to the store and buy some of the stuff, and I wanted you guys to come along with me while I do this. We can go shopping together, and find out if those products are actually nice or not, and then maybe I could do like a tutorial. I don't know, I'm just winging it for this vlog. And yeah, I am super excited. I am all ready, and let's go to the store. I actually already have this, and I would highly recommend. I think you must have seen it in so many of my videos, but I really want to see which shade I am in this foundation, so I think I'm gonna pick this up. And the powder as well. The highlighters look amazing. I already have this one, so I'm not picking up the highlighters, but definitely the concealer and this powder looks nice too. Oh my god, this is so good. I have the smaller one, like the travel sized. It's so nice, and I love the packaging, so you could try this as well. I'm actually picking up the Shadow Insurance, which is one of their best sellers, so you could try this too. This and this for sure. I actually remember this being one of the first things I picked up from Too Faced when I was traveling. And they are also known for their primers, but I don't know which one to get. I think this sounds nice. Which shade is this? Golden Beige. It gives plenty. Oh yeah, it's perfect. I think that's exactly my shade. Yeah.
I'm very good in picking up.
You are? You're amazing. So let's get Golden Beige.
I'm your biggest fan.
Oh, thank you.
I got that compliment from you, so it's like,
Should've come be in my camera. Say hi.
hi guys.
Okay.
So I'm her biggest fan. I got compliment from her, so it's like a big achievement.
She picked up one foundation shade, and it was the exact shade. Okay, so shout out to her. Let's try the concealer as well.
So I will try Golden Beige concealer from.
Yeah, it'll be perfect, right? Like I need it for coverage.
I will give you a one shade.
So I think this would be nice
Because
on
you
top
don't
of the
have
foundation.
uneven skin, you know.
Yeah, I think this would be perfect. Now that I'm at the store, I'm actually going to find out my HUDA shade as well. Which one? Macchiato. Love that name. Okay, so this is Macchiato. Forgot to get the light. Here is the best. I think that is my shade. You're so good at this. Oh, perfect. That is my shade. Okay, turns out there's no shade for, there's no stock for the one that I liked. So I found a shade that is very similar, which is Warm Beige. So I'm gonna try that right now. It's almost similar, and there's stock, so hopefully this works. This works really well.
Yeah, this also works. There's hardly some difference between two.
Yeah, there's barely any difference.
So this two shade goes well with Indian skin.
Warm Beige and Golden Beige, no? Okay, so I'm picking up Warm Beige instead. I love this foundation. So I have everything that I bought from Too Faced in here, and let's start with the tutorial. I'm going to start with my base first, and I'm going to use the Born This Way foundation. My shade was golden beige, but they didn't have it, and very similar to that was warm beige. I really wish they had a stock for golden beige though, because that was like my exact color, but this is like really close. I'm actually going to prime my face using the Versali Unicorn Essence first, just to add a little bit of dewiness onto the skin. Just taking 2 pumps of the foundation. I've heard such good things about this. Oh my god, this is so nice. I love the way it blends, and it has really high coverage. I am so glad I picked this up. It's so nice. Alright, now I'm going to use the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is in the shade Golden Beige. I love the texture of the concealer. So this is what the base looks like. I wanted to get the powder as well, but they didn't have it in stock, but my shade was Sand, so in case that helps any one of you, I'm also going to try and find it online and link it down below for you guys. Since I don't have the powder, I'm going to use this MAC Skin Finish Mineralized powder in the shade Medium, just to set everything. Natural Face is actually one of the oldest products that I own from Too Faced. You must have seen it in a lot of my tutorials, and it's actually one of my favorite products from Too Faced. So I'm just going to use those 2 shades that I picked up to contour. I love the formula of these powders. First of all, they smell just like chocolate. Secondly, they blend really well. And they give you this beautiful natural finish. And then I'm going to take the Papadone Peach blush. It's got a bit of a shimmer in it. How amazing is this highlighter? It's dual chrome. It's got a little bit of peach in it and gold in it. It's beautiful. I actually really like the highlighters in the natural face palette as well. This highlighter right here called Starlight looks exactly like this on the skin too. So if you buy this palette, you don't even need to buy the highlighter separately. But they're quite nice. They don't look chunky or like, doesn't have like big chunks of glitter. It kind of stands out. These eyeshadows are so buttery, very easy to blend. I also got the glitter glue because this palette has like a lot of glitter in it, so I want to use the glitter, like really chunky one. I used this yesterday, but I am so confused about which one I want to try. The glitters in this palette are really nice. So I'm adding the glue first. And it said that the glitter applies best, like it's written in here that for best results, use your finger while applying the pressed glitter formula. So I'm going to use my little finger because I want to control the area that I'm applying it, and press it. I tried it without the glitter glue yesterday, and this just makes it apply so much better. Okay, so before I go ahead with the mascara, I'm going to apply the Lip Injection Extreme on my lips so that it has some time to sit down. For mascara, I'm actually going to show you both the mascaras that I have. I picked this up when I was traveling, and I really like the Damn Girl mascara. And then this is the Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm going to wear both of them. Let's start with the Damn Girl. I think this one's almost over because I've used it so much, but I really like the wand. It's really nice and thick. I can feel the lip injection tingling my lips. I actually wanted to buy a bigger size of this today, but they didn't have it in stock. Okay, so that's Damn Girl. Let's try Better Than Sex on the other eye. This is what the wand for Better Than Sex looks like. Okay, so that's it for the eyes and the face. It's time for lipstick. I picked up this one from their Peach Kiss collection. This is their Moisture Matte Long Lasting Lipstick in the shade Got Peach. Okay, so after trying everything, excuse the mess, I would highly recommend the foundation and concealer. I think they worked really well. I also really like the highlighter, and the natural face palette is something that is beautiful. And you can also skip the highlighter if you get this, because it has like a contour shade, a nice medium blush, like a very pinkish blush, and like a nice bronzer, and two different types of highlighter that are also very, very pigmented. But if you like the look of these diamond light highlighters, then you can get this. And I thought that the glitter glue was really nice as well. And in terms of mascara, I would recommend the Damn Girl over the Better Than Sex. They're both amazing, but my personal preference is the Damn Girl. And yeah, those are my top picks from Too Faced. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for coming along with me. I had so much fun taking you guys while I went shopping and tried the products out as well. I am going to link all of the products down below in the description box in case you guys would want to try it. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.